before Teddy can do some dancing with us, we need to show Teddy some ballet steps. Everyone, let's find first position, close the feet and open them out. Wonderful. Teddy, this is our first position. With our hands on our hips, we're going to do our tendus to the side. We're going to slide our toes along the floor and point and slide them back. Let's show Teddy the other side. Sliding the toes along the floor and point and sliding them back. That's our tendu, Teddy. We're also going to show Teddy our pliés. Bend. Can you see a big diamond shape, Teddy, between our legs? And up. Great. All right, little dancers, follow along as we show our teddies some ballet steps. Here we go. Tendu to the side and close. Tendu and our plie. Other side. Tendu, close. Tendu, close. Tendu, close. Plie. Let's show Teddy again. Point, close, point, close, point, close, plie. Other side, tendu, close, slide those toes and close, point, close, plie. Let's pick Teddy up. And let's plie with Teddy. That's it, Teddy. Turn around with Teddy high in the sky. And other way. Alright, let's do the exercise with Teddy now. Close, tendu, close. Tendu, close, plie. Well done. Tendu, close, tendu, close, tendu, and plie. Well done, everyone. Well done, teddies. Thank you for dancing with me today. And thank you, teddies, for dancing with us also. Perhaps you'd like to dance with your teddy a little bit more today. Or perhaps show some of your other toys you're dancing. All right, dancers, standing tall, placing those crowns on your head. And I'll see you next time. Bye.